Hello, traders. Today is Wednesday, July 2nd. This is my analysis for the US dollar again, and we're on the 1 hour time frame. So on the 1 hour time frame, we definitely had a pretty nice impulsive move up. We had a corrective move down. We're now making another impulsive move up. So we have two options. Either this is an ABC pullback to the last impulsive move down. It potentially goes to like a Fibonacci level, makes it engulfing down, and then turns back down, continuing the higher time frame downtrend. That's our first option. My next option is it just continues to maintain momentum, goes up and gives us a break of structure, especially if it breaks this structure way up here. This is the one that's really going to tell me that the daily time frame move to the downside is complete. So if this turns into a 1, 2, 3, goes up and breaks structure, then that potentially will change my daily time frame from being down to being up, which would likely turn me into a buyer at the end of pullbacks for potentially the next week or two. But we cannot assume that that's what's going to happen. We have to keep in mind that it could just be a pullback. It could just be a correction. It could literally just go to a Fibonacci level, make a bounce, and continue down. So definitely pay attention to your Fibonacci retracement levels. Three waves up and golfing down at a Fib level is still going to get me looking for shorts. So anyways, don't forget to check out my free Discord channel, which is linked down here in the corner. Take a look at my website, fxpipcollector.com. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.